Hi girls, I just wanted to do a video to say thank you so much for all your hard work, dedication and patience during the last month. I know it was really difficult with stock and different Gen Con problems, but we got through it and we had an amazing month. Between you, I know you've got a lot of commission, so well done. You've done really well. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to use the DSU because I know really quickly every day it's changing and every day there's new stock going out of stock, and whether it's low stock or whether it's out of stock or whether it's sold through. I know some of you are a little bit confused, so I thought I'd do a video just explaining it all. So the DSU is a 6-page document, okay? A lot of it you need to know, some of it you can just ignore. So if I go through each bit with you, then hopefully everyone's a bit more clearer. Okay, so the first section, the bit here, as you can see in this last column, it says low stock. So that means that basically all of those products are about to go out of stock and we've only got a few left. So it's kind of warning you, if you're at a party, try not to advertise it. Don't put a post about it on Facebook, because chances are by the time you actually get to putting an order through for it, it's going to be out of stock or short shipped, which, as we know, is an absolute nightmare. The next section is out of stock, and as you can see on today's DSU, there's quite a few. Okay, so when something's out of stock, it means at the moment we haven't got any, but we are getting it in soon. It is coming back, and on one of the columns it's got a date, and some of them say mid-November, mid-December, early January, and some of them say TBC, so to be confirmed. Again, anything that's on this list, don't put on your Facebooks, don't advertise at parties, etc, because chances are they're going to be out of stock still when you put your order through. And the last section, which is really important at this time of year, is this sold through section at the end. Okay, this sold through section means it's gone, it's never ever coming back. Alright, which is really sad because there's a lot of things on there that have been really popular. So for example, if I just have a look here, we've got the mouse headband, it's gone. Piglet headband, it's gone. All the bath bombs, gone. The robot is gone. So I'll show you what I do with those in a moment. I'll just carry on with the DSU for now. Again, it carries on then with some of the collections. So they're the like the normal gifts that we do, not just Christmas gifts. And again, it shows you which are out of stock and when they're in stock. It also gives you any catalogue amendments. So you know sometimes you put a GTIN number in and it just goes, no, don't recognise it, don't know what it is, or promotion not found. Have a look here, because sometimes it means that the GTIN number that's printed in the catalogue isn't the GTIN number that's on the system. Alright, it's just human error, it's just one of those things. So have a look on that list, and again, in your catalogue that I'm going to show you in a moment, amend it in your catalogue, and then you don't have to keep looking at the DSU. So just moving on. And again, it just goes on and on and on. So you've got all your unavailable items. So these are really quite old items now, but like I said, if they're out of stock, a lot of these are to be confirmed. And a lot of stuff sold through in our normal collections as well. Alright, so anything that is sold through, don't know if you remember, I did a video for you all showing like my version of the catalogue that I've put in like this display book. And so what I'm just going to do is, so for example, we know the robot, it's sold through, it's not coming out. So because it's in this display book, I can quickly find the robot. I'm going to pull out that page, and the robot, which is here, I'm just going to, with my Sharpie, love a good Sharpie, I'm just going to literally right through it, because it's gone, it's never coming back. All right. If you do have a customer that's absolutely desperate, there's a few things you could do. You could put it on Team Victory and see if anyone's got one to send to you. You can go into the shops and buy one just to keep your customer happy. Obviously, you won't then get the commission, but it'll keep your customers on side. And yeah, so what I'm going to do, my job this afternoon, while Harry's asleep, or hopefully asleep, is everything that's sold through, I'm just going to go through my catalogue now and just get rid of it all and just highlight it out. So eventually you'll have a master copy of the catalogue that just has the items that are still in stock. Okay, so once again, thank you from all the management team. I know we're all complaining about it, we're all in the same boat. We don't know any more information than you guys. We get all our information from this DSU, and that's all we get given. So thank you for your support. You have been amazing. You're still making great sales. You're still making lots of money for yourselves for Christmas, which is what we're all in it for. So yeah, I just want to say well done. And as you can see, I'm really sorry if I'm not replying straight away, but I'm on half term. I thought it'd be a nice breeze, a nice week off. But it's not been. I've had a week with Harry, so I'm like pulling my hair out, and I had loads of work to do, and loads of other personal stuff as well. So yeah, I apologise if I'm not getting back to you straight away. I know between you all though, you've been getting stuff through to each other and giving each other advice, which is absolutely amazing. That's what teamwork is all about. So well done. Harry's still asleep now, so I'm going to get the rest of my catalogue done. I'm going to get myself a very strong coffee, and you never know, I might even get to wash my hair, which would be quite a novelty at the moment. So yeah, have a good November. Little bit of advice, any Christmas stuff that we've still got in is going to sell out quickly. So front end the month, sell as much of the Christmas stuff as you can, and then come December, you'll be selling skincare and makeup for the parties. Okay. So yeah, thank you for listening. Any questions, please put it on. If no one else can answer it, I will get to you when I have chance. I literally, the first thing I do when I get a minute is pick up my phone and look at your guys' chat. So yeah, that's how busy I've been. I didn't even have time yesterday to have a look. So I do apologise. I hope you all understand. So yeah, have a good November. And any questions, just let me know. All right. Thank you very much. Bye.